Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of drones and pitting two contenders head-to-head, the SYMA drone and the iStone 5 drone. If you've ever wondered which one will make you the neighborhood's aerial ace, or just end up stuck in a tree, stick around. Let's get into it. Let's start with our first category, camera quality. On the left, we have the SYMA drone, boasting a 1080p HD camera with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. Reviewers have praised its camera quality, saying it's great for capturing stunning views that you can share with just one click. On the right, the iStone i5 drone also offers a 1080p HD camera, but with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, allowing for panoramic views when connected to your phone or iPad. However, reviews indicate that, while the iStone's camera has potential, it often falls short with choppy video quality and grainy images. So, SYMA's camera is reliable and high quality, while iStone's adjustable lens is innovative but inconsistent. Next up, flight time. SYMA claims up to 40 minutes with two powerful batteries. Reviewers have noted that this is almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show and still have battery left. On the other hand, offers up to 30 minutes of flight time with its two rechargeable batteries. While 10 minutes less, it's still sufficient for a decent flight session. Flight time for the SYMA is consistently praised, while iStone's flight time is decent but overshadowed by other issues. Now, let's talk about how user-friendly these drones are. SYMA's features include headless mode, altitude mode, and one key to take off land, making it great for kids and beginners. Reviewers love its ease of use and the helpful automatic features. iStone also caters to the newbies with similar features like headless mode, one key start landing, and even hand gesture photo/video. However, reviews suggest that the iStone drone can be difficult to control and may have connectivity issues. So SYMA is user-friendly and reliable, while iStone is innovative but can be frustrating. Finally, let's talk design and portability. SYMA's got a sturdy build with 4 propeller guards, making it perfect for those oops moments. Reviewers have praised its durability, especially for young pilots. iStone, however, is all about sleekness with a compact, foldable design that fits right in your pocket. While stylish, some reviewers noted that it's prone to getting lost or damaged more easily. SYMA's design is durable and reliable, while iStone's is sleek but less robust. Overall, the SYMA drone has received positive reviews for its reliability, user-friendly features, and good camera quality. It is often recommended for beginners and young pilots. On the other hand, the iStone 5 drone has mixed reviews. While some appreciate its innovative features and design, many users have experienced issues with connectivity, control, and camera quality. It's seen as less reliable and more frustrating to use. So there you have it, smart buyers. Whether you're Team SYMA with its marathon flight time and sturdy build, or Team iStone with its adjustable camera and pocket-friendly design, both drones have something awesome to offer. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.